and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari, Gyang, the mom on point. So today I wake up to this beautiful, so amazing, so awesome news. I'm so emotional right now. I'm so happy about it, honestly, because if you are like me that have been scared of maybe you are contacted or you have the virus, you will know how beautiful, how amazing this will make you feel. So today I wake up and I log into my Facebook, and the first thing I see is a video by ABIODUN Abraham. Is my fellow engineer. Yes, in case you don't know, I studied chemical engineering after having 3 kids, but because of my flair for business, I started all over again from 100 level. I graduated having BSc in entrepreneurship and business management. So as an engineer, I know how this feels, and since I am an entrepreneur, so I decided to share with you because I know how awesome this is. I urge you all to join me in spreading the good news by sharing, by commenting what you feel about this particular invention. You share in the comment section, tell me how you feel about it, and by clicking the subscribe button again, yes, please subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our videos on entrepreneurship, online business, self-publishing, graphic design. In this channel you learn a lot. You learn how to make perfume, how to make hand sanitizer, how to make Dettol, and so much more. And I'm going to drop in the description of this video the link to all these videos. So today I want to share with you, I want you to see how it looks, a machine that can be used in office, can be used in hospital, can be used in your residential, in churches, in mosques, in school, in public places. Just if you have missed going to mosques or going to church like me, yes, I'm a Sunday school children teacher. I have so much missed my children. I know how awesome this is. I know how awesome this is if the government should put it out there, and churches and mosques can also use it so that we can go to our place and worship. I know how awesome this is. I know how awesome this is if the government should know more about this and put it in school so that our children will go back to school, go back to universities. I know how awesome this is. So I want you to please, as you go through this, I beg you, please share, please comment, please click the subscribe button so that other people will know about this and will see what government can do also about it, so that they can invite ABIODUN Abraham to see how this can go so far and go to every place in the whole world if possible. Yes, it's our Nigerian, so we need to support him. So I present to you ABIODUN Abraham.
My name is Gabriel, and by God's grace, I'm the engineer who built this machine. It is an automatic walk-through sanitizer or disinfecting machine. Basically, the purpose of this machine is to drastically minimize or reduce the spread of the novel coronavirus disease, the COVID-19. It is fully automatic. You don't need to press anything, you don't need to touch anything. Immediately you step into the machine detects your presence and then activates the spraying system, which sprays you with a disinfectant or a sanitizer from head to toe. And then you can turn around and then it sprays you again. The spraying continues from head to toe. And you step out of the machine. Immediately you step out of the machine goes off or gets deactivated. Let me show you a quick demonstration. So as you will observe, immediately I came out of the machine machine automatically gets deactivated or it goes off. The disinfectant or the sanitizer is 100% safe. It is recommended by the World Health Organization. It's going to have a system, or it has a system such that the refilling is going to be, say, once in a week, depending on the frequency of usage. And then it can also be customized to sanitize a whole car, trucks, lorries, or bigger vehicles. Some other customization that can be done on the machine is that it can be customized to read body temperatures, and whereby it's going to set off an alarm for high body temperatures. Basically, that is it. So it is available now for installation, and then more can be built based on orders. It can be ready within 10 working days. Thank you.
I hope you love what you've seen. You love, I don't know how other it makes you feel so good the way I feel, because if you are like me that always go out and you are not always that protective, honestly, let's tell ourselves the truth, because sometimes by the time I put my hands in the hands glove, I get tired and it will be sweaty. I will remove it. Before you know, I'll collect money. I'll go and wash my hand. The next one, I might not remember to wash my hands. Yes, that's true. So seeing that is amazing. This is something that can be used in the hospital. It can be used in the office, your residence, churches, mosques, schools, and other public places. So if you want to get it, you can just reach out to me. You can reach out to me in the description of this video. I'm going to drop a link to my WhatsApp so that you can chat me up. And for the record, this thing is very, very effective. It's highly recommended by WHO. Yes. So, and it kills a lot of viruses and bacteria. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to give me a love. Don't forget to tell me your experience. Maybe you feel so good the way I feel. You can comment in the description of this video how you feel about it. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you get latest notification on our videos, be it on entrepreneurship, online business, self-publishing, and a lot of stuff like this one. I also share how to make hand sanitizer. If you want to learn how to make hand sanitizer, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also check the description. I'm going to drop a link. I also have a video on how to make antiseptic, how to make Dettol. You can also get it in the description of this video. I also make video on how to make perfume. I also sell all this, so I didn't study entrepreneurship and business management in vain. I'm now using what I studied in chemical engineering, all this, and I'm also selling it using what I've learned in National Open University, entrepreneurship and business management. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to share. I urge you to share this video so much. I also urge you to please click on the subscribe button and click the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our video. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.